Yeah, it's sitting right on it, dude.
Are you serious?
Yeah. Like, right on the log. Dude, please blow up. Please blow up.
I'm sure your finger's on
It's off. Oh! You
Tell
just
me you
blew
got
up
that.
the
Tell me
Chimanara.
you got that.
You broke the Chimanara, dude. I can taste the right guard. Oh my lord. No way.
Look at that. Look at that.
No way.
Are you kidding me?
Are you ready for the best part? I don't know if you noticed this or not.
Tell me you got that on video.
Tell me you're about to get this on video, dude. Watch this. Blew that fucker open. Wow. That is... Dude, is your dad gonna be pissed that we blew that up?
Probably.
Dude.
Stop that. This is bad. Oh my god.
Holy
look at all the
shit.
fucking cans and look at this. There's like smoke over here.